welcome back to Food Truck Chef. So let's play the game. Come on. Okay, so let's play. Okay, so tap on the button open. Okay. Okay, level 5. Okay, my goal is 150. Let's prepare our food. Okay, you wanna have a cup of coffee and okay, let's go. Here it is, and here is your cup of coffee. Wait, madam. Okay, so you want also everybody wants coffee. You have to wait. Okay, your pasta, madam, and okay, here is your pasta, madam. Your cup of coffee, madam. Okay, one cup of coffee. Oh my god, it's burned. Mm, your cup of coffee and pasta. Okay, let me do it, madam. You just have to wait it. Okay, here are yours. So, wait a minute, sir. Just a minute. Okay, have a cup of coffee, and here is your pasta, sir, and your cup of coffee, and okay, you both. Wait a minute, madam. Okay, your cup of coffee, your pasta, and your pasta. Okay, sir. Just wait a minute, sir. I already earned the point 196. Just let me do it. Okay, the last person, your cup of coffee. Thanks. Okay, next we have part 6. Okay, let's do it. Okay, 160. I have the goal. 160 into. Okay, madam. Okay, you just want a coffee. Okay, sir. Oh my god, come on. Oh no. No. I have burned my pasta sauce. Okay, don't watch your watch. Okay, sir. Just wait a minute, sir. This is. Anybody have your pasta, madam? Your pasta, sir? Okay, your coffee, sir? Hmm. Oh my god, don't go. Okay, your coffee, madam. Your pasta, madam. Your pasta, sir. And what do you need? Your coffee, sir. And your pasta, sir. Your pasta. And okay. Just your pasta, madam. Your coffee. Oh my god, I burnt it. Oh my god. Just wait a minute, madam. What do you need? Okay, don't be so silly. Just wait a minute, madam. The cup of coffee will here any minute. Here is yours. Still, I earned 244 points.